If you've ever built a website in Wix, you've probably seen strips and sections. But what's the difference between them? In today's video, we're going to break it down. In the classic Wix editor, strips are horizontal blocks you use to structure your page. They stretch across the full width of your screen and help you organize content, like images, text, and videos, into clean, responsive layouts. But in the newer Wix editor or Wix Studio, sections replace strips. They work the same way, they divide your page into visual parts, but now they're more flexible, easier to manage, and automatically optimized for mobile. So think of strips as old way to structure pages and sections as the newer, smarter version with better control and design options. Whether you're using strips or sections, both help keep your website organized, beautiful, and easy to navigate. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!